In today's modern age, almost everyone has heard of artificial intelligence. But have you ever wondered? AI is becoming so advanced. Could it ever replace our own brain? Just imagine this. One morning, you wake up and your thoughts, memories, even your personality are all running inside a computer. No need for a heart and brain. Just lines of code operating everything. Just like a scene straight out of a sci-fi movie. But is that actually possible? Or is it just something we fantasize about? Let's dive into that in today's episode. We'll start with the basics. Your brain is the most powerful processor on Earth. It can think, reason, and imagine things beyond anything else. Its ability to process thoughts is practically unlimited. Your brain controls billions of neurons, and it creates more connections with your body than the number of stars in our galaxy. That's absolutely mind-blowing. But first, what exactly are neurons? Neurons, also called nerve cells, are a key part of your nervous system. Your nervous system includes your brain, spinal cord, and a vast network of nerves. Thanks to this system, you're able to think, feel, and react. Neurons are like tiny messengers that send electrical signals between your brain and your body. These signals are like commands that tell your body what to do next. It's through these neurons that you're able to think, understand, feel emotions, and remember things. So, if AI ever wants to truly replace the human brain, it has to do way more than just solving math problems or playing chess. It would need to think, understand, and feel, just like we do. Now, sure, AI is already super powerful. It can write complex scripts, create beautiful art, beat humans in video games, help diagnose diseases, and so much more. But even with all that, we still have to ask, does AI actually understand things like we do? Is it aware of its own existence? Can it feel emotions? Can it fear death? These are the questions that really make us think. AI experts say that today's AI simply predicts the next word, the next move, or the next image, based on patterns it has learned from past data. So while AI may seem smart, it's more like a brilliant parrot than a conscious being. But here's where things get wild. Some scientists are working on something called whole brain emulation. Basically, they're trying to digitally copy the human brain, neuron by neuron, and simulate it inside a computer. In theory, if we could scan every cell in your brain, map all the connections, and recreate them digitally, you might not just replace your brain, you might actually upload yourself. But here's the catch. Scanning every single brain cell in full 3D with microscopic precision, and keeping all the connections intact? Yeah, we're nowhere near being able to do that. Not yet, anyway. Now, suppose AI did manage to copy your brain structure perfectly. Would it actually be you? Would it have real thoughts, real feelings, a soul? Or would it just be a super advanced chatbot wearing your face? Right now, nobody knows. Some scientists believe that consciousness is just a result of complex computation, and maybe someday AI could figure it out. But others say there's something deeper, something no machine could ever truly possess. So, could AI really replace the human brain? Technically, maybe someday. Emotionally, spiritually, and consciously, that's still the biggest mystery of all. Until then, the smartest thing in the universe is still you. And hey, if your brain hasn't been replaced by AI yet, use it to hit that like button and subscribe to Impact of Knowledge on YouTube. See you next time, humans.